Hi, today we'll talk about SpreadsheetWeb Hub's new feature, Automated App Generation. This feature is built to help our users to get their application built and deployed much faster. Here you can see an Excel workbook with the input and output fields and other sheets containing lookup tables, formulas, and calculations. To use the new Automated App Generation feature, to convert this Excel workbook into an application on SpreadsheetWeb Hub, log into your SpreadsheetWeb Hub account and go to your Applications page. Click on Create Application and upload your Excel file. When you click on Create, we will suggest you to use this feature. Choose Try It option. The first step is the selection of worksheets that contains the cells or ranges you want to use in your application. Check the sheet names you want to be generated automatically, and make sure to select only worksheets to be included in the application's user interface. If you have other sheets containing only lookup tables, formulas, and calculations, do not select them on this page. Those formulas will still be executed before the output cells are updated in the user interface. If you need the assistance of our team after creating your application, mark the I want help checkbox. One of our specialists will review your application and try to optimize it for you. This service is complimentary. If you don't need any help, you can leave that checkbox unchecked. Once the selections are made, click User Interface button to see the first user interface sample generated by SpreadsheetWeb Hub. The next page will display user interface samples generated automatically. You can see the layout of your application in the Preview section. The Control section lists all available cells and ranges. You can add or remove controls in the generated user interface by checking and unchecking them. The next suggestion button shows you a new auto-generated user interface. You can use the next suggestion and previous suggestion buttons to navigate between suggestions. When you're satisfied with the user interface, click on the Commit button. Once it's clicked, the system will suggest you to create database for your application automatically. You can choose to create database for your application now, or you can skip this option and add it later. If you choose to add it now, you can always make changes from the database module. Next, the system will suggest you to apply a style sheet to your application. You can choose from existing templates in the system, or you can choose to go without a style sheet. After your application is created, you can create your own style sheet either from scratch or build on an existing code template from the style sheet module. Once you're set with the automated user interface, you will see three options to continue with. First, download file. Since SpreadsheetWeb Hub needs named ranges to continue with your workbook, Automated App Generation feature adds name ranges in your workbook. You can download it to be consistent with your application. Note that adding name ranges won't affect any functionality or visual aspect of your file. Second, go to Designer. Open Designer so you can continue creating your application if the automated application generation has missed parts of your user interface or if you would like to add additional features to your application. Third, Publish Now. If you're happy with your application and ready to share your app, do not wait, publish it now. After publishing the application, you will be directed to your applications page, and by clicking on Go Now button, you can open your newly published application to see its published version. And this is the published version of the application. Note that there may be minor differences between the preview application that you saw in the automated app generation page and the published version of the application, since the purpose of the automated app generation tool is to determine the layout and control types. After automated generation process, you can click on Go to Designer and make changes on your application if you would like to add additional features to your application like database integration, or if you need style improvements. If you need some changes on your application's UI, you can make those changes or additions to your application's user interface by going to the user interface module. From the user interface module, you can add different controls or you can change the look of your application. When you're done with the final touches, do not forget to publish your application to use the most up-to-date version of it. And this is how to use SpreadsheetWeb Hub's new automated app generation tool to build and deploy your applications without confusion and faster. Thanks for watching.